big one out.
Mm-hmm.
Santa Claus is good to Ethan.
Squeeze it. Ethan, look.
That's a big one.
Wow, big duck. You just gave it a kiss on the head.
Oh. Here, Ethan. I was saving y'all's for last, Mama, because that has the most stuff on it. So it's busy. So. Ooh. Oh my goodness, yeah.
It's in there, Ethan.
It's alive. That's that little steering wheel thing with the little man that vibrates. He's got in the little car.